Leela took Nibbler to the pet park, but Nibbler immediately started eating dogs and even a few people. Then he ran straight home just to use the bathroom. It turned out Nibbler could talk and he even watched movies with Leela. Everything was fine until he started coughing up furballs non-stop. When Leela took him to the vet, they discovered parasites in his brain eating away at it. The doctor prescribed some medicine, but Nibbler's intelligence started to drop rapidly and the meds weren't helping at all. The professor ran some tests and found out the litter box was infected too, but since it couldn't just be replaced, they had to shrink down and fight the parasites from the inside. The professor armed everyone with weapons in a tiny tank. They slid down a rail toward their target, but the professor's aim was terrible, and instead of shrinking the tank, he shrank everything else. Still, they managed to make it work. Once inside the litter box, they immediately sank into quicksand, losing their tank in the process. Soon they were surrounded by worm-like creatures. After Zoidberg accidentally inhaled some powder, he started hallucinating, but that actually attracted a swarm of beetles. Luckily, the beetles turned out to be allies. They shared intel with Leela's team. There was only one path to the Black Core, and they'd need a local guide to get there. As they traveled, the guide explained the strange ecosystem around them. When they reached the Black Core, the guide distracted the parasites to help them and was instantly killed. Leela and the others were chased off a cliff and caught in a sandstorm caused by Nibbler himself. By sheer luck, they ended up near the Black Core. This time, Bender volunteered to distract the parasites, but it turned out they weren't just a few bugs. They were an entire army. Leela realized the parasites might not actually be evil, but she attacked anyway. A huge battle broke out. In the middle of the chaos, glitter dust appeared, and when Nibbler inhaled it, he shrank down and entered the same microscopic world. Even the beetles returned to join the fight. That's when Nibbler revealed the truth about the food chain and chose to accept his fate, allowing the parasites to consume his brain. Everyone else escaped the litter box, while Nibbler, now brainless, rested peacefully in Leela's arms. Just another ordinary pet once again.